Well, hello everyone. My name is Naomi Hui. Well, for today's video, let's look at our weekly progress review for week 25. So, it has already been 5 weeks since we've changed into the actuary learning program, and so I think I basically have had a lot of changes, and so do my team members. So today I will have a quick review on what happened during week 25 and the important highlights of it. So first, let's have a review on week 25. So on week 25, first, let's have a review on my work. So on my work, first, I have done the daily edition 1, the daily edition 3, and main work. Due to busy schedules and also because of my family vacation, I can't actually finish the DE3, the DE2 in a sufficient way. And so I didn't really complete the daily edition too, but still I've still to try to do my best on the other works. So on my daily edition 1 is just like casual, a quick weekly progress review. On daily edition 3, we did a video talking about how to apply Ms. Pratt's problem-solving approach into the problem that Ms. Pratt sent, which is about Dong and Han's pencil box scenario. And I used the 5 steps so that I could calculate and make sure that my answer is valid and it is strong, and I've already tested it so I could make sure that my solution is always correct. So on my main work, I did a writing about applying Ms. Pratt's problem-solving approach onto a real actuary problem where actual people could face in their daily work. And I applied the 5 steps to ensure that I think like an actuary and that I work just like an actuary so that I could make sure that my work are always valid. So for the meeting, during the meeting, first we got a review like usual. Then we move on the problem-solving framework. So my teams got about 15 minutes to review about the concepts of the problem-solving approach. So we organized out the 5 steps and how Nam presented about them and how did he apply it into his recent works. On mindset and case study, which is another part of the meeting, we did a quick mindset check and mindset sharing. Well, all my members, I think, have the growth mindset, except Hao Nam. He said that he wasn't really sure about what is his mindset. But yeah, I think every member did a great job on sharing about their mindset. Also, after sharing about the mindset and how to embody the mindset, then we face a case study. And so we have a chance to face with an actual problem that we should solve by a growth mindset using Ms. Pratt's problem-solving approach. And the problem was introduced by Min Ho. We got a little struggling on some of the steps, but thanks to her great leading skills, she lead the team through the case and made sure that we did everything correctly. And on the financial math, we got a chance to look at the videos and then review about the notes that we took. Alright, so for my comments on the members' performance, first on Minto, like casually, she's a great leader and especially a great member too. Well, I think she always managed to do work really efficiently, and she always makes sure to lead our team correctly and efficiently. So that's what I really like about her performance. On Sarah, she did a great job like usual. I think she focused a lot on the meeting and she shared a lot about her own ideas and her own knowledge. So I really appreciate it. Her work are also really good too. Although there are some small mistakes that she should improve, I still think that she tried her best and that she really did focus on the works. So for Hana, I think on the meeting he's a little bit distracted sometimes because I could see like sometimes he asks Linda again about what is the question or what is the problem is. So it causes us to be like a little bit of like distracting, and so maybe it's just like a small inconvenience, but I hope that next time he could focus so that the team could have a nice performance and finish the meeting in a great way. For Aaron, he did a really great job on the meeting, I believe. Well, his answers were always really good, and I think he focused and contributed a lot to the meeting. So it's a really great job, Aaron. So for myself, it's just a small self-reflection. I tried my best to focus on the meeting and noted down information that I didn't know. Although sometimes I still didn't catch the others members' words, I still try to note down and ask them again. So I'm always wanting to contribute myself to the group. So I think that is all for my self-reflection. So for planning work, first on my daily edition 1, here, I've already did it. So for daily edition 2, I'm planning on doing a case study and mindset development. So first on mindset development, I'm going to be sharing about my mindset, which is the growth mindset, and how do I embody it, and how do I continue to improve it. For my case study, I'm going to be focusing on an actuary case, just like what we experienced in the meeting, but that has been introduced by Minho, so that I could improve my skills and that I could understand and got the hang of what's a problem with it like. For daily edition 3, I'll do a video talking about the solid foundation of mathematics, of financial mathematics. So I'll be focusing on the solid foundation. What do we need to repair before we actually dive deeper into financial mathematics? And I really hope that I could ace it and learn a lot from the daily edition 3. So for main work, I need to do a writing, aiming 7 bands IELTS writing. And so what do I need to write about is that I need to write about the 3 main concepts related to financial mathematics. And those are basically interest, inflation, and depreciation. So I need to dive deeper into these 3 concepts and make sure that I understand the best of them so that I could apply them into future work. So for next week, my plan is first to stay active throughout the meeting and casual and chats and conversations and discussions in the group. Also, I need to prepare work, and I always need to make sure that I'm keeping track on my work, or I always need to make sure that I prepare before the meeting. For the other times, I need to spend time for the group, like checking messages or like giving feedbacks or comments on other members' work. And for lastly, I need to plan and report done ASAP as soon as possible because I really want to be working efficiently for the group so that I could keep the working culture of the group and make sure that I doesn't slow everybody down. So that is all for my weekly progress for week 25. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.